Hello everyone, beautiful souls. How you people are doing there? I hope you people are doing great, okay? Taking care of yourself, maintaining social distance, and of course, the main motive of our channel is to spread love, friends. So I hope you people are spreading love, okay? Because what we believe that love is luxury, and what is luxury? It's in comfort and abundance. So when you have abundance of love, you can share it, isn't so? So we can share love, we can definitely do that. Okay, let's dive into the content of the reading. Friends, it's a reading for August mid. It's basically for 15 August from 31st August. For all the signs I will be doing, I will be follow up by from Aries to Pisces. Okay, so today we are gonna do for Aries. And friends, welcome to my channel. Thank you new subscribers, thank you so much for your support, friends. You people are awesome, and I'm so blessed to have you all. Thank you for sending me so much of love and high vibrations. And what else? Yes, I'm your astrologer, Reiki healer, tarot card reader, Sangeeta Kalita. And what else we need to talk about? Friends, go and follow my Insta, DM me there. It's still 15th of August. People from 11 to 20 years old are gonna get free Reiki healing and one card pull, like any card, one card pull for your any question you have. So grab that opportunity, let me help you people. Okay, what else? What else? We can start our reading for Aries, August mid. Let's see. So we will be getting some channel messages from Divine also, okay? So let's see. And I know you love my channeling. Okay, friends, let's see. Okay, Aries. Already download starts, okay? I think August is gonna be a very good experience for you people. You people gonna come out from a situation that is no more serving you. You gonna you gonna change a pattern of a relationship. It's not a breakup, but it's a breakup, or it's not basically it should not be a love relationship, it can be your workplace also. But you people are transforming energy of chasing things. You are mm, you stop chasing. You actually came to know that it's it's nothing there outside. And you people are basically following your inner voice, and you people are diving into your power. And that is the card I got for you. It's an Empress. That's a beautiful energy to start with. Aries, sweethearts, you people are doing great. Because you are completely in your power. You people are tapping in your power. Because you have gone through this waiting period. I think you have been waiting for some justice or something that uh, was no more serving you, and you people finally took a decision that if it is not serving me, I'm gonna move on. And universe told you that yes, Aries, you are on the right track. Move. Be in your power. Okay, let's see what else. What else? Universe, what else we have for our Aries? Okay, let's see. Let's see what else we have for our Aries. Let's see. Okay. The moment you thought of being this emperor or empress, divine came and interrupt in your connections, and they give you this blessing moment, divine is bringing you, because if we talk for love interest here, sorry, I I thought I am gonna talk in Hindi. Okay, if we are gonna talk for a love interest here, so this person is definitely, oh my god, Aries, let me show you this. Four of Wands and the Ten of Cups. Definitely this person is gonna, you know, bring something very solid for you people, because this this situation is no more serving you people. My Aries is completely in their power, and my Aries is no more in this decision making, because my Aries has thought that if something is not serving me, I am gonna change this pattern, I am gonna take this responsibility, you know uh, change, leaving something behind. It's not you are breaking a relationship. Leaving something behind is sometimes you change a pattern of a relationship, and you go take the responsibility. Okay, these things have been done, it's going on, and I take the responsibility, and I am gonna manifest a better future, in fact a very higher future for the same relationship. Sometimes, sometimes we need to let die the old patterns of the relationship, and we need to go and start for the fresh. And that's what you people are doing, and universe is telling me that yes, Aries, you have done a great job, and you people definitely mm, are gonna be the winner in this situation. So it's every truth will unfold to you in its most beautiful way, Aries. Let's see what more we have for you. Oh my god, every card, the major arcanas, just see. With that card, you people are transforming. You people, you, what I told you, you have exactly understand that principle, that how to break that cord and start something new. And this is awesome. This is awesome. Oh my god, that's great, that's great. Okay, let me take this card, Aries, for you. That's great. Wheel of Fortune, what I told you. Finally, the same cards are coming in again and again. Wheel of Fortune. If you are thinking for a connection, this is completely destined, and you are no more seeing this baggage behind. You are no more seeing this baggage behind. You have taken your stuff, and I don't want this baggage anymore, and you are ready to move forward. Because what is not serving you, the lies, the talks, the people, you are ready to leave them, and you people are going through a big awakening and transformation. I think Aries, you people faced a lot. Yes, I can feel your pain, I can feel it here. You people have been through a lot, and finally it's time, honey, it's time that you get what you deserve. You people are gonna recover from your health issues. Your health is gonna be awesome. Relationships, the people who left you in cold, they gonna come and chase you, because my Aries said, wait a minute, I'm the king here sitting, or I'm the queen here sitting, you need to chase me out, man. And that energy actually changed the entire vibration. You raised your vibration, Aries, and you did the job, because I think the past energies were very complicated, and you felt that you were left in cold. You actually didn't know where to go and what to do, and you were so much in pain. But Gradually the fire is sparking. You people are fire signs, and you know exactly how, when to shine that light, and you did that. You did that. You people know. You people know where to gear up. You people know that. What I told you, sweethearts. You know where to rush, where to run the horse. Actually, you people know that, and that's the energy that you are ready to get that victory. And when you are set on fire, when you are highly energetic, you are definitely attracting only good energies. And when your vibrations are low, you definitely cannot attract any good energies, Aries. So it's like literally so beautiful that you people have raised your vibration to the optimum level. And that's a great news, because I feel someone is like rushing towards someone is chasing you. I feel that energy. There is a new beginning. Ace of Pentacles. Definitely in career also you gonna get upliftment. Definitely there is upliftment in your career also. Let's see what universe wanna tell you, Aries. Let's see. I closed my eyes, okay? Let's see, Aries. What universe wanna tell me? Universe. What my Aries need to know now? Okay, we have 3 cards here. Okay, let's see. Trust. See, Aries, that you have done your job, and trust because universe is gonna give you what you deserve. Pull back your energy, focus on the goal. What I told you, Aries, go within yourself. You people are evolving. You are going through a growth, and that is the reason most of you perhaps went through some physical ailment too. You people had gone through some physical ailment, and you faced a lot during those period also. There was a pain associated there also. There is a heartbreak, and the universe is telling you that stop giving your energies to others. Focus in yourself. Stop giving your energy to others, Aries. It's a no. Why it's a no, universe? Let's see. What no? What is no, universe? What is no here? Why it is a no here? Let's see. This night has morning to walk ahead. Oh my god. This night has a morning to, Aries. Walk ahead. Angel hug. Angels are coming to hug you. Oh my god, that's so beautiful. Let's see if somebody from your love life wanna give you any message, Aries. Oh my god. Oh my god, we already got it. We already get it, okay, Aries? But I have a very unique message. Vampire, witch, black magic, full moon, vexing, drowning. Did anything resonates with you? I think there are some people who are trying to manipulate your energy and manipulate you and take advantage of your good behavior. And I think there are people who have evil eye on you, Aries. Just take care, sweethearts. And full moon, I think there is a completion of a cycle and a start of a new cycle. That's a full moon here. Drowning and waxing. I think the negative energies are getting out from you. So take care of yourself, sweetheart, because there are people who is not good around you. So take care of that, okay? Take care of yourself. I am fearful of being vulnerable. See, this is your person. They don't wanna be vulnerable in front of you, okay? Everyone has its own soul journey. Let everyone grow in their destined way. That's beautiful message. So Aries, let everyone grow, let you grow, okay? It's basically universe telling you to grow, okay? I will make everything right very soon. This is your person telling you. We are best together, no one can make us apart. Wow, your person wanna tell you that. Life without you is hell. Okay, you are so beautiful. Or if you're a masculine, then you are so handsome. Your person wanna tell you that, Aries. Wow, that's a wonderful reading. I hope you like this reading, Aries. Like, share and subscribe my channel, help me to grow, friends, and stay tuned for your next reading. Till then, take care and bye bye.